Creating a weathered look on stainless steel. In this video, we're going to use two patinas in two different methods to create a weathered stainless steel look. And this almost gives us even a tarnished silver look, if you will. Really kind of a unique finish. And you can see here we're going to use it on some champagne buckets that we got while we were out at FabTech. The company we got these from is Global Metal Spinning Solution Inc., or DENN, DEN. And it was really one of the coolest things I saw while I was there out in FabTech 2017. This machine was just remarkable. I suggest you take a look at it if you're into this kind of thing. But for the patina process, we went ahead and degreased it and kind of scuffed it up with a Scotch-Brite pad, heating it up to 180, 200 degrees, and now we're hitting it with full-strength slate black. And you've probably seen other videos where we've done slate black on stainless steel. Here's a vertical piece, so it's a little bit different. We've done others that was kind of similar. But overall, we're just going to kind of try and let slate black do its thing, kind of get an overall patinaed finish. Overall, for slate black to work on stainless steel, you have to heat it, and it gives you this really cool kind of mixture of reds and browns and blacks, and sometimes you get a little white or greenish, yellowish film in there. And this is going to serve as our base for kind of the randomness that we're going to get. So we're going to patina the entire thing, the inside, the outside, the bottom. We're going to patina the whole thing. And then we're just going to go ahead and skip forward to where we've done that already. So here we've already done all the slate black, and you can see on the inside it's all nice and patinaed. And we did have a little buildup on the inside. Heating into something's a little harder, so just be aware if you're doing something like that. But I think it looked pretty cool. So here we're going to just use some distilled water and kind of essentially rinse it. So we're trying to do two things. One, we're trying to rapidly cool it down so we just continue moving on forward. We could just wait. But the other thing it's doing is it's getting off a lot of the residue. So that kind of yellowish, greenish film that can build with slate black sometimes, it's coming off. So you can see we just kind of cooled it off, and once we dry it, then we can go in with the new patina by Birchwood Technologies, the Presto stainless, and that's designed to make stainless steel turn black. And we're going to kind of spin it around so you could see everything, and I really liked how it turned out, so I ended up doing two of these, one so I can keep it that way, and then one so I can continue doing what I was planning on doing with the Presto stainless. And so here we're going to go in with the patina, the Presto stainless by Birchwood Technologies. And we're just going to spray it down completely. Get it covered everywhere, inside, outside, bottom, everything. And we're going to let it react for about 3 to 5 minutes. I think we were right around that 3-minute mark where we started drying on the tops. And you can see I'm really hosing it down, again, because I don't want to try and make it dry any faster. So I just kind of douse it and wait. And you can see it's starting to react. And I'm going to go back and hit a few of those areas. You can see it where the stainless steel is really kind of coming through still. Just kind of pop that a little more. And that'll help kind of kick it up and try and play a little catch up there. But overall, we're starting to react real good. And after a few minutes of this, I went ahead and rinsed it. And I'll show you what we got. So this is rinsed and dried. And you can see a lot of that brown and red and everything was all gone. And we're just left with the black and silver. And I really like how this kind of turned out. Like I said, it's kind of like a tarnished silver look. And but it's on stainless steel. So here are our two. Again, these are the two chemical reactions you can get on stainless steel. Pretty much black, and then we've got our kind of reddish and brown mixture of it. Slate Black and Presto Stainless are both available at www.sculptnouveau.com.